Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can clone yourself on InShot. There are certain things that you need to consider, right? First, you need to record yourself 2 videos at a fixed position. Secondly, you need to have a stable lightings. Thirdly, you should not move your camera or your phone. Just watch the full video, you will understand exactly what I'm talking about. Just stay tuned, I'll be right back.
Just open your InShot app, then import your video. Remember, we made 2 videos, right? So just import your first video, then that is it. So just play the part that you don't want, that is at the beginning, also at the ending of this video. After you do that, then tap picture in picture again to import the overlay video that you want. All right, once you import this overlay video again, all you need to do is to split the part that you don't want, that is on the beginning of overlay footage and also at the ending of it again. Then make sure you drag it here to the beginning. So that is it. All right, yeah, so you also need to split this part. Yeah, so you yeah, then you look for mask. All right, then you tap on the first option, tap on this check mark here. All right, then you make sure to drag this green line with your 2 fingers, just like this. This is how you need to arrange it. Then drag it a little bit, just like this, guys. Yeah, it's okay. Then tap on the check mark. So this is it. If you have any question about it, let me know.
That is all about the video, guys. If you found this video useful, please follow me on my TikTok, Facebook, IG, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks every day. See you on my next video. Peace.